painted turtle.
Here's the little turtles. To go up the walk.
There's a masked
There's
turtle.
Mama.
Nope. That's a painted turtle with the red on the painted. Without the red down there.
And two babies. They're cute. Take them a long time before they get up the stick, won't they? Huh. Oh, so apparently there's frogs too. Huh. Okay, you see they got a nice little waterfall going on for them. Okay.
We didn't see those on the way in.
Huh. Alright. They're going to take their time. Take their little sweet time going up and down.
We can go around the other side to see it.
It's a shell right there.
There's a couple more right there.
You put in the kayak? It's a frog. Look at that itty bitty one. I didn't see one on there. Oh, look, another one right here.
Oops. They're climbing on that log too. Let me see how I can get them. A couple right there. Okay, and then you got, oh wow, a whole bunch of them. One's trying to get right on top of the other one. So give me some room. It's a whole bunch just sunning right there. Look at them. They're all just sunning. There's a couple of big ones. Look at that. Alright. Be sure to sub me, join me as a friend, and we'll bring you some more. Bye-bye now.